The technology has been developed advanced. That is, now we can buy anything, we can purchase anything like any services, any tools, any products, clothes, any electronic device, any fruits, and different kinds of products by sitting on a room and using computer and internet connection. So this is actually the e-commerce. You might have been using different kinds of online services, and they might be the e-commerce, but you might not have understand the term e-commerce. Hi, this is me Anil Pathak. You're watching Pathak Media, and in this video I'm going to talk about the e-commerce so that you can have clear concept about e-commerce and you can also start e-commerce business right now. E-commerce is the activity of buying anything, any services, any tools, any products by using the internet connection. So due to the use of internet connection, the e-commerce business that is available everywhere in the world, in every corner, wherever there is internet, wherever there is computer, there is e-commerce. So the e-commerce has huge market. That is, you might have heard about Amazon. Also, you might have been using that Amazon services. They have a lot of product in many field: electronics, clothing, computing, cloud computing. They have anything, any services in the Amazon, and people use that. That is accessible from any country. That is, we can access from Nepal, we can access from India, we can access from UK, we can access from Canada, we can access from Japan. They are all accessible from everywhere. The e-commerce services has been expanding in any countries. Like in Nepal, we have daras.com.mp, that is the electronics, and that has the products like electronics, clothing, so many products they have. And also metrotarkari.com, they have product like the vegetables, different kinds of vegetable available there. And similarly in India, we have different kinds of e-commerce service like flipkart.com, amazon.in as well, that is the Indian company, Indian product, Indian version of Amazon. And Amazon itself in the UK, US, they have their own product. And also we have alibaba.com. So many e-commerce websites there are in these days. And even the least developed countries like Nepal and so many countries, Pakistan, like the most developed countries, India, China, they have their own e-commerce services, e-commerce product. They are selling their products by the use of internet. So the e-commerce is either selling the product or the services by using the internet service. The main benefit of e-commerce is that it is available 24/7. The users can visit their site anytime, anywhere. Either it's raining outside, either it's sunny outside, either it's snowfall outside, it does not matter. Either it's day, either it's night, it does not matter. The user can simply go to the website and visit the product, and if they like that, they can order their product anytime, even in the midnight, even when they are in bed, when they are in college, when they are in work, they can order their product anytime. So the e-commerce business is actually, in simple term, for the general people to understand, e-commerce is simply a website that we host in a server, and the user can access the service. And e-commerce has their different kinds of products stored in their server. They have clothes, they have electronics products, there are different kinds of e-commerce services, e-commerce products these days. So there are different kinds of e-commerce services that you might have that you are using right now. So you do not know the exact terminology behind this. So I'll give some examples that can be related to you, and you will understand that. So these days there are many online payment systems as well. You might have been using e-pay system available in your countries. For example, in Nepal we have the eSeva, khati.com, iPay. There are different kinds of online payment gateways. Similarly in USA there is available e-pay system, and in India as well there are so many online payment services available there. And you might have using that services to pay the bills of internet, to pay bills of electricity, to pay college fees, admissions fee, to pay the products that you have purchased from the online store, or some store. So these are the examples of e-commerce system. Here you use the service to pay the amount to someone that you have purchased something. Here the issuer is the bridge. Here the e-payment system is the bridge between you and the company, the way you have to pay the amount. So since you are using the service, then the service that you are using is the e-commerce service. So similarly, there are different kinds of e-commerce as well. That is the transportation system. But actually, when we say the terminology e-commerce, the most of the users think that is the services like the Amazon.com, because Amazon has lots of huge products, that is electronics, gift cards, clothing, different kinds of cosmetic products, beauty products. It has almost everything, every products. It deals with every product. So whenever we say about the terminology e-commerce, the people have Amazon in their mind, but Amazon is not only the e-commerce. So this is, you need to understand. Since I talked about the e-payment system, that is also the e-commerce system, and now again we have another e-commerce systems, that is the Uber. You might have heard the terminology, the service Uber. You might have been using the service Uber because the Uber is available in the countries like USA, Francisco, India, Spain, Mexico, Russia. This has expanded its business to almost more countries. It is the huge company that gives opportunity for a rider to earn money, and if you want to travel somewhere, then you can get your service. You can reach your destination by using the services like Uber. So there are so many services that have been expanded like the Uber. For example, we have in Nepal, that is Sarathi Cab. The Sarathi Cab is doing very great, and similarly similar kind of services have been introducing in Nepal. There are almost I have heard about 4 or 5 services like Uber. What they do is they give a rider to chance to make money. The rider, whenever they travel somewhere, they can pick someone and help them to reach their destination, and after that they get some money. And in this way it is helping both for the rider as well and for the person that have to reach somewhere, that have to go somewhere in their destination. So talking about these things, that e-commerce is not only the product, is not only the activities when we buy the products on the online. That is when we use any service on the internet, that is also the e-commerce. So we can also start e-commerce by ourselves, because e-commerce is doing very great these days. People love to do their things on the internet. They don't want to go in any physical store and watch their products and bargain with their price and buy the product. But here online we have everything, that is the price, that is the specification, delivery time, the amount, that everything is kept in the online sites, the e-commerce sites, due to which the user love to use the e-commerce services. So we also can start the e-commerce service. To start the e-commerce service, it is like the process of establishing the website. For that we need a domain name. We can buy domain name from the domain hosting company, web hosting company. They give the service of domain name, web hosting, and you can use GoDaddy.com. Actually, GoDaddy.com is very good, and you can also create the website by yourself by using the WordPress in your web hosting. So if you do not know about WordPress, how you can create the website easily, you can view different kinds of tutorial related to the WordPress. And if you want tutorials about WordPress, you can should like this video, comment in this video, and I will be producing the tutorial about WordPress, how you can create the website from WordPress, how you can create e-commerce website by using WordPress. So in the gist, I want to say that e-commerce is not only the product that you buy using the internet services, because there are so many things available on the internet, so many services available on the internet that you can use with the help of internet and make your day more productive. So people used to have misconception about the e-commerce is buying the product, like because Amazon has been spreading all over the world, and people say that people might be think that when the term e-commerce comes, then e-commerce is Amazon, Amazon is e-commerce, e-commerce is Amazon, Amazon is e-commerce. But this is not it. This is not all, because e-commerce is any services that you use on the internet is the e-commerce. So e-commerce is doing great these days. You can also create the e-commerce right now, right after watching this video. So for that you need a domain and you need a web hosting. You can simply click drag and drop the WordPress and make your e-commerce today. So this is it for today. If you have any kinds of confusion, any kinds of suggestions, to comment us, to message us. If you find this video really helpful, then don't forget to like this video. So if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, there is a red subscribe button below this video. Click here to subscribe us, and also click on the bell icon so that you can get notification as soon as I upload videos on YouTube. So I will be coming up with more interesting updates like this. Till then, stay safe, stay updated. Thank you for watching.